Can you give us your name, title, and the organization that you're with?
I am Vig Krishnamurthy from Ford Smart Mobility. I'm a Senior Manager of City Solutions. Our group at Ford Smart Mobility exists to help connect with stakeholders to understand their pain points so that we can solve mobility challenges.
Great. Thank you, Vig. Can you give us a little bit of information about what you spoke about today in class and why it's so important to this new mobility paradigm that we're moving towards?
Sure, Bryan. So Ford is an established OEM, maker of best-in-class cars and trucks for over 100 years. But at Ford, our Chairman Ford really understands the need to transition to smart vehicles and a smart world. And that's a way of saying, really rethinking the business models and interaction models around how people access transportation. There's always going to be a wheeled device, something to help people get from A to B and help goods get from A to B. But the propulsion systems for those things have to change and are changing. And the ways that we can share those things are changing too, through technological enablers like connected vehicles and smartphones. And that holds a possibility to be a huge boon for cities in that much of our infrastructure and our pricing models of fares for transportation, price of parking, or even how much parking we have are all premised around the last 100 years, where we really tried to grow access for people through greater number of cars and greater movement of cars. But now we can be smarter and more efficient. And so that involves not just a rethink in terms of what Ford might do with its products and services, but also getting institutions to rethink how do they incentivize their people with different carrots and sticks. How is infrastructure created to also be more natural than to take advantage of these new modes, like riding an e-scooter or e-bike or sharing a ride.
Great, thank you. In the future, what are the optimal outcomes that you would like to see, and what do we need to get there?
Sure, Bryan. So I think we have a lot of the same as a society outcomes in mind. I think for a long time we've been trying to solve for the congestion problem, particularly in cities. No one likes sitting in traffic. It's certainly frustrating, on the other side to be delayed. But at the same time, with the great investment in technologies coming, but also changing some of the premises around how we move, there's a huge opportunity to focus on improving access for all, so that we really think about equity outcomes, and we think that one of the biggest challenges we can do is that with the resources we have, we can make it more frictionless for some trips that aren't happening today to happen, particularly access to healthcare, access to food, access to work. Those are challenges that I think really do need to be addressed, and there's an opportunity to, with lower cost technologies and other modes, to help level up society.
Great. So to move towards these outcomes that you're talking about, can you tell us who are some of the key stakeholders that you think need to be at the table to help us advance these different initiatives, whatever they may be?
Sure. I think in this time, as we talked about in the class, there's so much change going on. There's a lot of uncertainty, and questioning what's the future going to look like, what technologies will be available. And so the thing that we can do to kind of navigate that is bring stakeholders together from different groups. We need to bring the users, the people who actually interact with these things on a day-to-day basis. I'm a firm believer that we can make transportation and mobility systems more thoughtfully designed for the users. That is a big pathway to a road shift. But then we also have to think about those, like what I might call soft institutional stakeholders, like a university campus, for example, or employers, and the ability that they have to actually influence. We're all part of different communities, our family communities, our work communities, our educational communities. Those social influencers, I think, are very important in terms of setting what's natural and what's the norm. And then lastly, really the people who are on the front lines, who are doing operations and enforcement. We have to not forget about when we do pilots or implementing new things, to go to those experts, like the people who are going to be operating the right of way, or dealing with a bike that's abandoned, because for them that's their pain point, and they're responsible for the safe and clean operation of the right of way or of a campus. So if you bring the users, the social influencers, and the operators together, I think those are people we need to kind of create successful change.
You've done a lot of projects both throughout the country and actually throughout the world. How well do you see Chicago being positioned to being a contributor to this new mobility space?
Chicago's in a unique position in the United States and globally, I think, in that if you read the RTA's recent strategic plan, there's a great bold statement which says the Chicago region is built on transit. Many people ride transit, but many people don't. And I think we have a really robust core network of services, of rail services, metro and CTA, and trunk bus lines that really have built the city and are anchors. And that gets people comfortable with the model of riding a shared thing. How do you pay? How do you do all that? And so we have a big population who are familiar with and comfortable at that. But we are a massive city too. More than 200 square miles in size, and more than almost approaching 3 million people. There's a lot of gaps to fill in. So I think Chicago could be sort of at the central point of the last mile problem that we hear about, right? We have this great transit and infrastructure network, but we need a much broader and deeper coverage of all those modes to really complement that and fill in that network in a way that's user friendly, so that we don't have necessarily 5, 6, 7 different systems or apps that people have to pull out of their phone and use. So we create like one unified user friendly experience for mobility.
Today you spoke about a lot of different mobility solutions and a lot of different ways to get around. What's your personal favorite?
I would have to say my favorite is walking, and this is actually something that more recently has become my favorite. It really allows me to slow down and see the details in the city, the little architectural details, the people using the space. I think it's one of the best parts that I enjoy about living in an urban environment is bumping into people and having the chance to stop. When I'm riding my bike in my car, sometimes I'm in a rush to get where I'm going, but I love being on my feet.
Does Ford know about that?
Oh yeah.
Great, thank you.